Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video, I'll be making smoked chuck roast and smoked mac and cheese. Trust me, it's going to be amazing. So let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire food. We are going to start by preparing our chuck roast. First thing is to apply a small amount of oil just as a binder so that the rub sticks to the meat. I'm going to go with a very simple seasoning. I'm going to add garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Be generous with your seasoning because it's a big piece of meat and it needs a lot of seasoning. Also make sure to cover every spot. Then continue this process for all sides. I'll be using hickory and apple wood throughout the cook. I'm going to put it on the smoker and maintain the heat at 250 degrees for about 5 hours or until it develops a gray color. Then I know it's ready. Now it's time to fire up the smoker. Don't forget to spray the chuck roast with apple cider vinegar from time to time to prevent it from drying out. Now that looks ready. You can see it has a gray color, so it is time to take it out and wrap it in foil. Wrap it twice to ensure that the heat does not escape and that it cooks properly. Then put it back on the smoker until it hits an internal temperature of 205 degrees to ensure maximum tenderness. While the meat is resting, I'm going to make a smoked mac and cheese, and it will be absolutely delicious. In a pot, boil some elbow pasta 80% through. Then drain the pasta. Now in a pot, add half stick of butter and let it melt. Then add quarter cup of flour and stir until it's completely dissolved and starts to boil. Now we're going to add about 3 cups of milk gradually. Add a small amount at a time and keep stirring constantly so that it doesn't burn or stick to the pot. When it looks like this, add 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. One cup of sour cream, which will make the sauce creamier and richer. Now add 1 cup of shredded chopped cheddar. And finally, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now transfer the pasta into a cooking tray. Then add the sauce on top. I didn't show it in the video, but I did season the sauce with salt and pepper, so make sure you do that. Now mix them together. And finally, add some extra cheese on top. ready to put it in the smoker. Place the mac and cheese in the smoker at 300 degrees for about 1.5 hours until the top is golden brown, just like this. Wow, that looks delicious. Now that the meat has rested, unwrap it and it's time to cut it. Remember, always cut across the grain for a more tender bite. Add some fresh parsley and trust me, this is one of the best dishes I've ever had. Guys, the meat is so tender and have an amazing smoky flavor. Also, the mac and cheese is creamy and rich with a kick from the hot sauce. This is what I call heaven on a plate. So always share this recipe with your friends and family and let me know in the comments below what other recipes you want to see next. And that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.